So just remember with the running suture that you are, you first of all start with the instrument tie, and then afterwards just reload your needle and just go for the run. That's exactly what it is. So it's a continuous suture. So you're going from the apex all the way to the distal portion of that. Yeah. So, and I see that you trim the little tail, so that's excellent. And then just go ahead and reload that needle and start moving and just go for the run.
Using these tweezers is a little bit more difficult.
Yeah. So the thing I tell my students all the time is just making sure, and I'll pin right here so I can see you, Anne. Just make sure that you have, you're using those, you get used to using those instead of using your fingers with the needles for sure. Because, yeah. But once you get used to it, then it becomes a breeze. Excellent. I see you tucked in the thread, right? Right under
Yes.
your.
That's a nice trick.
It is. It
I like
is.
that.
Yeah, the thread gets unruly,
Yeah.
for a while. So yeah. Okay, very nice. And then pull through. Good job. And just keep going. It looks like you got a hang of it already. And so remember that you also can use that little trick that I showed you just to guesstimate the next place that you put in your needle, right?
Here. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, very good, very good, very good. All right, Courtney, what are your thoughts? Let me watch you real quick. Courtney, do you want to bring it to the, yeah, right there. Okay. So I'll just watch. It looks like you're going already, so that's nice. Yeah, very good. So take a bite. Beautiful. Go to opposite side, take an additional bite. Okay. And pull through. All right, Courtney and Anne, just make that very throw, make it the very last one so I can see how you all finish, okay? So you're going to pull through, but don't pull all the way through. So you have that little loop, which becomes your tail. So Courtney, make sure that you're not going too deep. Once you get to the sub-Q layer, which is like the pink portion of your suture pad, you've gone a little too deep because you're supposed to be on the dermis and the full thickness of the epidermis and the full thickness of the dermis. So make sure that you're not getting to that sub-Q layer because that's just going too far. Okay. So you can pull back a little bit, Courtney. Pull back a little bit. And then, yeah, make sure that you're staying in the dermis. Don't get to the sub-Q layer, the adipose tissue. Okay, and then go ahead and pull through. And once you pull, don't pull all the way through, remember? Because this will be your last suture. Remember, don't use your fingers with the needle. Okay, and then of course, just go ahead and use the loop. That loop becomes your tail. Wrap around once, wrap around twice, and instrument tie. Beautiful. Okay, Anne, it looks like you got it already.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice.
Thanks.
Very nice. Nicely done.